how to make panda leaf tea. Very healthy, tasty, and will help your body in general. You should drink it every day. Hi, Dr. Paul Haider, Master Herbalist and Health and Wellness Instructor for 35 years. 1,300 videos here. Let's get you healthy. Please give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe. Today I want to make panda leaf tea, and I'm going to show you how to do that. And first of all, I want to show you our plant in the backyard. You can see that here now. Here's our pandan plant, and it has quite a few leaves and been growing like a weed. That plant is growing like a weed. It had a little rough start at first, but now it's really taken off. And if you live in Florida or any of the Gulf states, you can grow this for sure, and you can order it on eBay and Amazon, live plant, and it'll come to you. And it is really amazing stuff. It has over 100 different healing compounds in it, and will help your lower your cholesterol and triglycerides, and also great for your skin. And it does, not have any kind of side effects to it, and will help just about everything in your body. You have liver problems, you have neurological problems, if you have heart disease, anything, this will help in general, because it has a huge amount of antioxidants and compounds which are very safe and will make you better. First of all, a lot of people say take the leaf and split it in half, and if you can do that, just kind of split it in half like that, and then you can take your scissors and start cutting it into your cup. Just take it all, and might want to use 2 or 3 leaves. It has a very, very light flavor. It's not like it's going to be overwhelming. Some people say it tastes a little bit like vanilla. I find it's very indistinct. It doesn't have much flavor at all. But if you put some honey with it or something else, it's going to pick up that flavor, and you're going to have that vanilla with it would be very good. And it is very soothing tasting, and I find it very relaxing. And you can also, put ice with it. Here's my version with ice also. Personally, I wouldn't say it's vanilla. I think it's a little more citrusy and a little bit more, it's a kind of a green flavor. Very uplifting. I'll put these in there. And you should drink this every day. Really good for you. And it will help with pain also. Just about everything you have going on. You have inflammation going on. Drink 1 or 2 cups of that tea every day. So you put the leaf into the cup, and you could either microwave it, or you could pour your water into their hot water, let it steep for a couple minutes, maybe 2 or 3 minutes, and then actually let it cool a little bit so it's not too hot to drink, and then drink that. Or you could put it into, a glass and add some ice to it. And right now it's really hot here, so I'm going to have it iced for sure. A very pleasant flavor. In Vietnam and Philippines and that area, they also make it into a lot of bakery goods too, in custards and jello type of things, and it's very tasty, very, very tasty. You can also take a huge bunch of the leaves and put it into a pressure cooker and pressure cook that also, and it will have more flavor. Depending on what you want. It has a very light flavor, but it has a lot of healing compounds and amazing amount of antioxidants. So if you like something that will help you with your body and is tasty, and you can drink it any time of the day or night, does not have any caffeine, and try some Pandan, Pandan, Panda leaves, Pandan. And even a lot of people from Asia ask, how do you pronounce that? And so it's really refreshing And you could add other things to it also. My wife likes to add some cranberry to it. So it will do your body good for sure. Try some panda leaves. You can also get the powder. You can order on Amazon or eBay, and you can put it as much as you want, and it's very, very soothing, healing, uplifting. I really like it a lot. A very wonderful tea. Enjoy. If you have something going on, give me a call at 831-869-9119. 831-869-9119. And perhaps you have liver disease going on. I reverse that on a regular basis. Maybe you have diabetes. I reverse that. Maybe you have glaucoma. I reverse that. Maybe you have MS. I reverse that. Anything that you can think of, we can turn that around so you are free and don't have to take anything eventually in the end, and get you off all these, terrible medications which have from 6 to 60. I was just looking at a medication for somebody yesterday, had 60 different side effects to it. Not good. 831-869-9119. Remember God, remember I love you. A great sage said, kindness in words creates confidence. Kindness in thinking creates profoundness. Kindness in giving creates love. I love you.